Hi guys, you're now on the Fruit Archive channel, where we discuss fruits and vegetables. In this video, we're gonna talk about bananas, the nutrients, the benefits, and so much more. What is a banana? A banana is simply an edible elongated fruit. Some types of bananas. Some types of bananas are Cavendish bananas. These are bananas found in your local supermarket or farmer's market. They are slightly sweet bananas. They are ripe in many stages such as green to yellow with brown spots. They are around 6 to 10 inches in length. Red bananas. The name says it all. These are bananas that are reddish purple. They are slightly softer and sweeter than Cavendish bananas. Pisang Raja. These are bananas that have yellow to orange color. They taste like honey custard. They are slightly smaller than Cavendish bananas. They are typically 4 to 6 inches in length. Ladyfinger. These are bananas that are smaller and sweeter than Cavendish bananas. In length, they are about 3 to 5 inches. Nutrients in banana. One banana contains around 0.5 grams of fat or little to none, 3 grams of fiber, 27 to 30 grams of carb, 90 to 105 calories, and 1 gram of protein. Benefits of bananas. Banana can be beneficial in digestion, help with heart health, give you energy. So they are good to eat before and after a workout. They contain many important nutrients also. Foods bananas make: the famous banana bread, ice cream, muffins, cupcakes, cakes, pancakes. Used to eat pancakes also in protein shakes, cookies, and many more. Comment down below your favorite banana or your favorite food made by a banana. On this channel, you can find more videos like this discussing fruits and vegetables. If that sounds interesting, hit the bell. Stay tuned. Peace.